watching a Project Nerd presentation. Enjoy, nerds.
Hello everybody, it's the Tech Nerd, and I'm back for another episode of Tech Nerd 9000 Reviews. So, one of the questions I got asked straight out of the box was, where did you even come up with that name, Tech Nerd 9000? And if you don't know the answer to that, clearly you haven't seen Terminator 2, Rise of the Machines. And I'm doing this because I'm gonna put the movie poster right there. But enough about me. Let's get to the real reason you're here today, and that is for the review of the Angetube video capture card. All right, so we're gonna open up the box here. Capture card, 4K, 30 FAPS HDN, 1080p, 60 FAPS HD out. YUV. I don't know what that YUV is. USB 3.0 high-speed transmission. Plug and play. Headphones for monitoring. Look at this. It's like a little red Corvette. Little red Corvette. Sorry, dudes. That's upside down. And look at this. I'm not up on my Mandarin, but I believe that says, "You're gonna love it." Cords. Got your USB. Nice cable. You got an HDMI in case you don't have 6 million of those laying around your apartment blouses. As the Beatles would say, she's a real clean machine. So we're gonna try and use this, okay? Hot tip for you. If you find that you're not able to get your HDMI cable to work, you might want to check and make sure that these plastic ends, these come off. And that's what you're supposed to, so now you can plug it in. Now the life of a tech nerd can be tough because, as you can see, my HDMI is not free on my laptop. And but I've got some other things I can plug it into. So I'm just gonna plug one end in here. Whoa! Look at that. Hollywood magic. Now it's in. And now watch. Zoom! It's gonna plug in to this. Oh, that's upside down. Okay, it's in. It's in. So I have it plugged in and nothing's happening. So I think that's correct because I need to plug in the USB cable. Found a spot. Bing. It's gonna be on this side here. So watch. Oh. Ding, and you heard the ding, so something's happening. Let's find out. Guys, I heard a ding, but nothing showed up on my computer at all, so I'm consulting the manual. I did find out that even though it's Mandarin, there's another side that's English, so check that out. And I mean, you can read the instruction, but when you're a tech nerd, you don't really need to do that. You just look at the diagram. And I have that. I do have one of those. Audio output. I didn't do that, but I don't think it's necessary. I got a notebook. So I got that part, and I got the 3.0 USB. And oh, HDMI, you got to plug it into a computer, but I did that. It's up here. Or a camera or a phone, but I'm using my phone to record this. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, I'm back, and I tried hooking this up to my TV, and it says your new device includes 3 months of Apple Arcade for free. And now I'm just going to swing over here and show you the configuration we have going so that you can repeat this on your own. It's down here somewhere. Where did oh, it's down here. So plug in both cords to one end and then scanning up here. And then I got the USB in there, and then I got the HDMI in there. And this is what's happening now. All right, I've got a sobering update. I don't need to subject you to like the hours of video that I recorded since the last piece of video that you watched, but I tried to get this to work. I tried every trick in the book. I read the manual, both sides. I read the FAQ, frequently asked questions on the Amazon page, and I tried everything. I called my dad, can't get it to work. So I'm not going to be able to give this like the most thorough review that I wanted to give it. And really my heart breaks for you guys because you're the ones that tuned in to see if this is worth buying at a price of about $58, and I think it was, yeah, $58. Luckily I didn't have to pay that, but it's hard for me to comment. I'm just gonna have to wing it though, because when I did look at the Amazon reviews, people did like it, and so I'm gonna say 4 stars.